Good morning, children. Today, chapter 2 motions. In previous class, motions topic. So, we see several examples of motion around, like motion of people, vehicles, trains, aeroplanes, birds, raindrops, object thrown into air. Now, this all taken the here related to the words related to the what is relative. What is relative? Citizens observe the figure. For person A, the house is on the right. For the person B, the house is on the left. Okay, person A right side house, person B right side, left side house. The position of the house is related to the observer clearly when speaking of the left and right. Left and right. Here's observe children's one figure. Earth. Earth is moving left and right, and day and night also. And day and night. Therefore, right and left, day and night, up and down, larger and shorter are relative terms when they respect the position. The point view of the observation. Children, up and down. Day and night, up and down. Day and night is coming. Sunrise, day. Sunset, after night. Motion is relative to the observer. Like it terms right and left, up and down, large and shorter, motion are related to the observer. See, observe this figure. Observe this figure. What is the state of the motion of the tree? T is the rest. T is the not moving. T is the rest. What is the state of the motion of the car? It is moving to the east. Car is moving. Which side? East side. What is the state of the driver and passenger in the car? They are also moving like the car. How do decide that car, the passenger and driver moving with respect to us? The position of the car, the passenger and driver are also changing with the time, so they are motion. Now, same figure observe. Therefore, the motion or rest of the object depends on the observer. So the motion is combined property of the observer and body which is moving observed. Therefore, a body is said to be in the motion when its position is changing continuously with the time relative to an observation. Vigilance. Next, distance and displacement. Distance and displacement. Activity 1. Draw the path and distinguish between distance and displacement. See children, see the figure. Take a ball. Take a ball. Take a ball and throw it into the with a some angle of the horizontal at a place A to throw a ball into the air, some angle to the horizontally, some angle to the this side throwing, but the ball coming horizontally. Observe path and draw on the paper. The position drawn on paper. The figures show the path taken by the ball. The distance ASB give the distance traveled by the car. ASB give the distance by the ball. Therefore, the length of AB gives the displacement of the ball. The length of AB gives the displacement of the ball. What is the displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance between initial point and final point is specified direction represented by the vector. Therefore, Second one, distance. Distance is the length of the path traversed by an object given a time interval. Therefore, distance formula, simple distance definition, the length between any 2 points in a given direction. What is the definition of the distance? The length between any 2 points is given a directions. Displacement. Displacement is the shortest distance covered by the object is a specified direction. This is the displacement. This is the distance. Thank you, children.